Telephone phrasal verbs with meaning and examples. Hang up. To end a phone call. I had to hang up because I was running late for my meeting. Pick up. To answer a phone call. Can you pick up the phone? I'm driving right now. Call back. To return a phone call. I missed your call. Can you please call me back? Put through. To connect someone to another person on the phone. Can you please put me through to the customer service department? Hold on. To wait on the phone. Can you hold on for a moment while I check my calendar? Get through. To successfully make a phone call to someone. I couldn't get through to her earlier, but I'll try again later. Cut off. To suddenly lose connection during a phone call. I'm sorry, we got cut off earlier. Can you please call me back? Speak up. To talk louder on the phone. I can't hear you very well. Can you please speak up? Ring up. To call someone on the phone. I'll ring up the restaurant and make a reservation for us. Dial up. To make a phone call by dialing the number. I dialed up the wrong number by mistake. Hang on. To wait on the phone for a short time. Hang on for a moment while I check my notes. Ring off. To end a phone call by hanging up. I had to ring off because I had another call coming in. Get off the phone. To end a phone call. I need to get off the phone now. I have a meeting in 5 minutes. Stay on the line. To remain connected on the phone. Please stay on the line while I transfer you to the correct department. Speak to. To talk to someone on the phone. Can I speak to the manager, please? Phone in. To make a phone call to a radio or TV show to participate. I phoned in to the radio show and won tickets to the concert.